I've had this old cast iron pan probably about 2 months now. Quad going by. I'm out in my hometown. Like I said, I've had this old pan for about 2 months now. I bought it at an old, sort of like a scrap shop. Not really an antique shop, but kind of geared in that direction. Bought it for $5. It's pretty rough, but I think I'm able to clean it up and make a good pan out of it. I love cast iron. I've got into cast iron cooking over the past 6 months or so, maybe a year. I really like it. This will be the biggest pan I have. Really cool. So gonna try to get it done. See if we can make a decent pan out of it. So I have this really heavy caked on junk here. I guess just from years of use, stuff building up. So I'm gonna try to take some of that off with an angle grinder. See how that works. Just noticed that there looks to be a logo through here. Not sure. Looks like maybe Smart's Brockville. It's nice. Removed the bulk of the grime and gunk with the grinding wheel. So now I just borrowed this from my brother. It's my brother's grinder. Didn't bother changing the disc, but he's got one of those flap discs. So I'm hoping that's going to be a bit less aggressive, yet aggressive enough to take out those markings from the grinding disc. Let's see. As you can see, it cleaned up really well. Really got all that junk off there. And the silver, when I season it, so I'll coat it in oil and bake it, it should all go black. So now I'll spend a little bit of time. The inside is in pretty good shape. So I'm not going to use anything like the grinder on that. I'm going to use a small oscillating sander. There it is. That's as clean as she's getting. Really happy. Really nice and clean. Also really happy that the logo came out. Gotta go search that up and see, because I have no idea how old this pan is, or... Very cool. Now I'm gonna go wash it and season it. So this is she, just oiled, going in for the first seasoning. I've never seasoned a pan from just silver before, silver metal like this. This has no seasoning whatsoever.